Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You, and I have another unboxing to share with you today. It is my Love British Lifestyle box from Quaintly & Co, and it does come to us from across the pond in the UK. So without further ado, we're just going to dive in. So this is the October 2025 box, and the theme for this month is Celtic Heritage. She always includes a very nice booklet that goes through information about the UK region. And I enjoy looking at these because it gives me ideas of places that I want to visit eventually. I love London. I've been to London a few times, but I have not ventured much outside of London except Surrey, and I don't really think that counts. Well, I guess Windsor, but again, I don't think that counts. So there is much of the UK that is unexplored for me that I do want to visit sometime. So these little booklets that she gives us gives me tons of ideas of places to see and go. So here is the box. I'm going to open it up. And they're all, of course, British themed items. Ooh, I see something that's already very good right off the top. We have, is it from NARS? Fine milled oat cakes. They're plant-based, high fiber, whole grain oats. There we go. And it says, we've been baking in Scotland with pride and imagination since 1896. So let's see these. How can we use, oh, well, they've been opened. That's okay because they're sealed. They're sealed. Oh, okay. They're like crackers to us here in the States. But yeah. They're crackers like. All right, so let's see here. I want to read of what kind of toppings maybe. Let's see, what does it say? What do they say? No artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, suitable for vegans, wheat-free recipe, no added sugar, no GM ingredients, no hydrogenated fat. Goodness. Okay. So, let me see here. Our oat cakes are packed with mighty whole grain oats. So the way they show serving these is like crackers in the United States. Cheese, toppings. Huh. I think I'm going to use them for some hummus, if you ask me. I can't wait to try those. What else goodies? Okay, so Jones and Geimer's, maybe I'm not saying that right, hand-cooked crisps, beef, the Welsh potato crisp. Are they beef flavor? They are beef flavor potato chips. Oh my goodness. Gotta open them. Gotta try them. Gotta try them. As soon as I can get into. Oh, they smell good. I've never had beef flavored crisps. Look how crispy they are. Beef pot roast and potatoes. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys. These are delicious. They've got like, the onion flavor to them that you would think of a beef pot roast. My gosh. Do you know where my mind's going right now? I have a lot of colleagues. They're in Cork, Ireland. Yes, a different landmass, but I bet they can get these. I am going to have to ask. Oh my goodness. As soon as I get off here, I am finishing those. Those are delicious, you guys. Delicious. Okay, speaking of Ireland, we have got, we have a Celtic cross and some other, a 3-leaf clover, but some other iconic symbols from Ireland on a key ring. Love that. So just not the UK. This is Mr. Parker's Gifts. Well, no, this is from Glasgow in the UK. So even though it says Ireland, it is from Glasgow. Love those. Okay. Continuing. We have Scottish Fine Soaps. It is hand cream though. Winter wood, spiced caramel, vanilla, and musk. It's hand cream. Oh, upside down. Wonder if it's sealed, if I can smell it or not. No, it is sealed. All right. So that one I am going to leave sealed. Just because, yeah, once you unseal stuff, it's kind of like the clock starts ticking down. What next? Oh my gosh, you guys. I love it. Love it. It is from Heritage Traditions Country Goods and Supply Company. It is a tweed notebook. As you know from my planner subscriptions, I love notebooks and paper. Oh my goodness, you guys, and look at that. The leather on the back there, the label. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Okay. It is a lined notebook. Up here, it actually has 20, and then you could enter in the year and the month and the day. Look at that. Not only that, but you know what I find very interesting about this? Oh, real quick. They actually have a little pocket, and there's something in it. Heritage Traditions. Take a note from Heritage Traditions. Make memories on your travels through life and keep them safe. I love this notebook. Love it. And we have one more item in the box. We have a Celtic weave traditional Irish scarf. Here we go. Look how pretty that Celtic knot is. Okay. And look how pretty. Very pretty. Let's read about it. Okay, it is Celtic or knitwear. Let me show you the tag. And Irish tweed and weaving traditions. The tradition of weaving wools into tweeds and knitwear for a wide range of products has been passed down through the generations by skilled Irish craftspeople. We are pleased to present a diverse range of products celebrating the great tradition. And they are based out of Dublin. And let me look back here. Made using recycled materials. So let me show more of this. This is a very long scarf. And open it more. Look, it's beautiful, isn't it? Love the color of it. So pretty. Very pretty. I love this. So the first time I unboxed the box, I felt that it was very touristy. Like the items that I felt we received were very tourist-like, in my opinion. So I was very hesitant. I'm like, I don't know about this box. The following two, and the first time I actually got 2 boxes in one shipment, so I must have gotten a free box. And maybe the free box, maybe that's why it seemed touristy, because maybe one of the boxes was the free box. Maybe that's why, I don't know. But the subsequent 2 boxes I received, I didn't find touristy at all. I actually have loved them. And the thing was, is after I got that first box, I was like on the fence, and I canceled the subscription because I had prepaid to get 3 boxes for like, you know, a better deal. So I canceled my subscription. So I don't have an active subscription with them anymore. And I am regretting it now, you guys, because I have loved the other 2 boxes I got. So I think I'm going to be signing back up for this box because I have loved everything I have gotten out of it. These crisps, you guys, are amazing. My little tweed, the oat cakes, my hand cream, and the keychain. I love it all. So I'm signing back up, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Oh, wait, before I go, we got to look at the back of the card. I always forget to do this, you guys. So let's see here. What's in the box? So we got the traditional Celtic pattern pashmina scarf, Celtic or craft in Dublin, Ireland. We got the Heritage Traditions tweed notebook. We got the Celtic symbol keyring with hanging charms. We got the Winterwood hand cream by Scottish Fine Soaps. We got, is it Nairn's fine milled oat cakes. And we got the Jones O Jimroo beef crisps. Made from 100% Welsh potatoes and cooked in high oleic sunflower oil for an irresistible crunch. Oh, you guys. Seasoned with rich beef flavor and a hint of Halen Mon sea salt. They're bold, hearty, and full of local character. That is the truth. So, and we have this little British Lifestyles pamphlet. So I'm signing back up for the subscription. I loved it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you for spending time with me. Bye, everyone.